Alright, today I'm going to show you how to make popcorn right here in the microwave. So right here I have Pop Secret. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up the package, okay? Open up the package. Pull out your package. It's right here. So here's the Pop Secret popcorn. The instructions, we're going to open this up a little bit. So right there, and then the instructions are pretty on the they're pretty much on the back. It says microwave and stay and listen for popping to slow down. Okay, so you're gonna listen to it. So it says that right here. It says center bag on the turntable of the microwave floor of the microwave. Set power to high for 4 minutes. Stop microwave when popping begins to slow, about 2 seconds between pops. So we're gonna do that. All right, just gonna put it down flat like this. So I'm gonna put it in the microwave, flat down like this. Open it up, put it in the microwave, in the center like it said. Then I'm gonna shut it, and then I'm gonna put the microwave to 4 minutes on high, and start. As you can see, there's still time on the microwave, but the popping of the kernels is far and few in between, so that means the popcorn is done according to the bag. So I'm gonna pull it out with a minute left. Be cautious because it's hot, and bring it out. And when it's done, you're gonna pour it into a bowl like this. And that's what the popcorn looks like. Let's look at it under the light. That's what the popcorn looks like. Any questions? Let me know.